So I'm Noah Clay. I'll be a senior this year, Colby-Sawyer, in the nursing major, and I'm from Keene, New Hampshire.
And I'm Megan Yaw. I am from Chesterfield, which is just outside of Keene, and I'm going to be a senior nursing major.
So we've been friends for a while, like really good friends, and it's just nice having like a good friend from home at school.
Yeah.
Because you get someone to talk to you about stuff they know.
Stay in touch with people back home too, and new friends here.
Yeah. And then this summer, we both did our nursing externship. I did mine in the ICU at Cheshire.
And I did mine in the WACHU, which is the Women and Children's Health Unit. I think it's so rewarding. We get, as nursing students, we get to see every different kind of specialty, and you find like certain people or certain patients, you connect with nurses, you just get to help people kind of at like a vulnerable time.
I think we all love the medical aspect of it as well, because it's so fun and to see a patient progress from them coming in, being at their worst time, and you're there with them being supportive, to them leaving the hospital and them a lot better from where they were. But it's just really interesting, and we all just love helping people. And I think nursing, at least for us, it's just, I think for us it was the best profession to go into because we can do so many things with it, and so you can work with a whole variety of patients. And so it's just nice to see a patient being and letting you in at the most vulnerable time, and then working with them until they get better.
Stay tuned to see who's featured next on the Summer at Colby-Sawyer series.